Most people know Christmas, of course, but in Finland, before the big day, they celebrate Pikkujoulu, that is Little Christmas. So what is that? Hello everybody, I'm Shanny, your guide to global bites and adventures. Right now, I am at the Consulate General of Finland in Shanghai to explore the tradition and to see what Little Christmas is really about. Let's go! I heard that you are from Rovaniemi, right?
Yes, born and raised. Exactly. So the hometown of the famous Santa Claus.
Yes. So, what is the Little Christmas really about?
So, a little Christmas is something that you spend together with your friends and, for example, co-workers, because usually in Finland, when the real Christmas comes, so we celebrate it on the 24th, we usually spend it together with the family. So we don't have a chance to spend it together with friends necessarily. So Finns get together with friends and co-workers just before Christmas, just to have a little party and fun and enjoy each other's company. Yeah.
Welcome to today's Finnish Christmas today here, and a little bit the food and the magic of Finland with us.
有芬兰的很火的这种米粥，米粥的话是牛奶泡的，大家可以尝尝，稍微有点甜，前面还有这些配料可以放在自己的米粥里，自己喜欢吃什么就可以放什么。然后后面有土豆沙拉，还有黑面包、蘑菇沙拉。当然，我们芬兰的圣诞节必不可少的也是鱼，所以我给大家准备了一些三文鱼去品尝。这个的芬兰语叫 rosso， 一个相当于蔬菜做的，有红菜头啊之类的，相当于是像一个沙拉，也是个冷菜，就大家可以配那个中间的酱尝一下。
Are there any similarities about the Finnish festivals, Christmas or Little Christmas, compared with the Chinese New Year?
It's a good question because I would say that Christmas is much like Chinese New Year because it's all about being together with your loved ones and going home. It's all about getting together at the Christmas table, eating some good food together, and then spending the days playing, doing things together. So it very much is like the Chinese New Year in that sense. Yeah.
Tuon terveisiä suomalaiseksi ja toivotan teille kaikille oikein hyvää joulua ja pidetään tänään oikein hauskaa. Oikein hyvää joulua.
圣诞节快乐！
My really warm wishes for the Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for the whole people of the China.
祝中国的所有的朋友们圣诞快乐以及新年快乐！